Have you ever wondered why some people get rich quickly while others spend their entire lives struggling to pay their bills? What really sets apart those who achieve financial independence from those who remain stuck in the same cycle of difficulties? The answer isn't how much money you make, but rather what you do with it. And, most importantly, the habits you build into your daily routine. Today, I'm going to show you how small changes in your habits can completely transform your financial life in just 6 months. And the best part, anyone can do this. So stay with me until the end, because I'm going to give you a clear and practical plan to start building wealth right now. The first thing we need to understand is that rich people and poor people have completely different behaviors when it comes to money. Most people work hard but spend without control, without planning, and without thinking about the future. This creates a vicious cycle where no matter how much money comes in, it always seems to disappear just as quickly. Now think about the most successful people financially. They follow clear habits. They control their spending, invest their money, constantly seek knowledge, and think long-term. And this doesn't happen by chance. Financial success doesn't come from luck. It comes from the daily repetition of small, smart actions. Many people believe that the solution to their money problems is getting a raise or finding a new source of income. But let me tell you a secret. Making more money doesn't mean you'll get rich. The biggest mistake that keeps most people from building wealth is increasing their spending every time their income goes up. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's exactly what keeps so many people stuck in financial mediocrity. Have you ever noticed that many high-income earners are still drowning in debt? That's because they live on autopilot, spending every penny they earn. So if you don't learn to manage what you already have today, you'll never be able to build wealth, no matter how much your income increases. Now let's talk about the millionaire habits that can completely transform your financial life. The first and most important one is learning how to control your expenses. You need to know exactly where your money's going. If you don't have a clear and well-defined budget, you're probably spending more than you should without even realizing it. Analyze your expenses, cut out unnecessary costs, and create a strategy to save and invest every month. The second habit is turning your free time into financial education. What do you do after work? If you spend hours on social media or binge watching shows with no real purpose, you're wasting precious time that could be used to learn about investments, entrepreneurship, and new ways to increase your income. Start reading books on finance, watching educational videos, and seeking knowledge that can truly change your life. Another fundamental habit of millionaires is creating multiple streams of income. Relying on just one paycheck is a huge risk. If your only source of income disappears, you're instantly in financial trouble. Wealthy people always have multiple ways to make money, whether through their own businesses, investments, or passive income. Today with the internet, there are countless opportunities to build a second source of income. The next essential habit is investing wisely. Money sitting in a bank account loses value over time due to inflation. To build wealth, you need to learn how to make money work for you. Even if you start investing small amounts, the important thing is to take that first step and understand how to grow your wealth. And finally, the last millionaire habit is thinking long-term. Rich people don't chase overnight success. They know that building wealth takes time, which is why they make strategic choices to ensure their money continues to grow over the years. Now that you know the habits that can make you rich, I'm going to give you a practical 6-month plan to implement them. In the first month, focus on tracking your expenses. Understand exactly where every dollar is going. In the second month, eliminate unnecessary spending and create a solid savings plan. In the third month, start investing, even if it's just a small amount. The key is to build the habit. In the fourth month, find a new source of income, whether through a side hustle, an online project, or a solid investment. In the fifth month, expand your financial knowledge. Dive deep into learning about investments, personal finance, and business strategies. And in the sixth month, review your progress, adjust your strategy, and keep improving. If you follow this plan with discipline, you'll see real changes in your financial life. And remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but through small, consistent decisions that create a massive impact over time. So here's a challenge for you. Choose one of these habits and start applying it today. Don't wait until tomorrow, because the sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. Now tell me in the comments, Which of these habits do you already practice, and which one do you need to improve? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who also needs to change their financial future. See you in the next video.